Today is the day I will finally try to start the engine. It's been almost a full year with this rebuild. I have everything set up, the full flow setup down there, hooked up primitively at least, batteries charged. I have a tachometer connected to the positive side of the coil and then to the ground because I'm going to tune it at 2000 for 20 minutes like the book says. I read many opinions saying you don't have to do it, yes or no, whatever. I'm going to try it anyway. I just cranked it a little bit and it didn't start, but I think I'm ready to go. Unless I fried the coil or something, I think everything is ready and I'm ready to give it a try. I have my tester here, a thermometer to make sure everything's not too hot during those 20 minutes, a screwdriver to set the volume on the carburetor to get it up to 2000, and that's it. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Okay, wait. Okay. The needle's not moving.
It might not be starting, but at least I know there's oil pressure. The full flow setup is working and leaking, which is okay. There's oil. I checked the fuel pump connection. You can see it's wet here because I pulled this end out and gas came out. I was checking, maybe I had them reversed. That happened to me before. This VW pump and some aftermarket ones have the in and the out reversed. In my case, I think it's fine because fuel is getting up here. So now I will check my spark ignition situation and go from there. One thing I was thinking is maybe the gas is too old. I'm using gas that's been sitting in the tank for over a year, maybe a year and a half, but that would be very strange. I doubt it. So I'm checking the timing. I have it at that's the middle part, 7.5, depending on the angle. That looks like 10, that looks like 5, but I think I have it at 7.5 looking straight at it. And let me see if I can get the spark here. Points should spark up. There. I heard it. I didn't see it, but I heard it. There. So I'm resetting my static timing and I will try again. Okay. Okay, that was great. Maybe 2 minutes and emergency stop. Wow. What is that? Oof. It's a massive oil leak full of wet grease, maybe. And it's burning on the muffler. Whoa. Okay. At least I know I can start it. Just a quick example here. These are the clamps I initially bought and that just leaked everything everywhere. ¿Qué pasa, loca? Vení, vení. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Vení. ¿Qué pasa? Bueno. Anyway, I bought them with these hoses, same vendor, and they don't fit, or you have to stretch them too much. So I went to the local parts store, got these beefier ones. There's a lot more slack, and they're also thicker. So let's see, I think they will have better clamping capability. I will swap them out and then try to do the break-in. Since the old attack I was trying to use, tachometer, didn't work, I have this timing light connected on the number 1 for the pickup and then on the dwell. I'm not going to do anything with the pickup right now, but I have it there just in case. I realized also I forgot this vacuum hose before, and should actually be routed up. So better. I don't want any fuel going back to the distributor, vapor fumes or whatever. So now I'm ready to try it again and run it for 20 minutes. If it doesn't start dumping all the oil again or anything, should be ready to go. That was it for today's video. This is the last video on the engine rebuild playlist. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. This was a lot of work done over about a year, and I can't believe it runs.